Welcoming you to Mathematics for All Examinations series. Today, in our lesson, we read about polynomials. So, to begin with our lesson, let us try to understand some definitions. What is an algebraic expression? What is an algebraic expression? A combination of constants and variables connected by some or all of the operations like plus, minus, multiplied by and divided by is known as an algebraic expression. For example, 2 minus 5x minus 3x square y plus 5xy plus x cube. This is an example for algebraic expression because we have some constants like 2, 5, 3, 5, and these are connected with the operations, mathematical operations like plus and minus. And we have some variables also like x and y. So this is an example for an algebraic expression. So now the next question comes. What is a polynomial? What is a polynomial? An algebraic expression in which the variables involved have only non-negative integral powers. Remember, only non-negative integral powers is called a polynomial. Always you have to remember the power should be non-negative one and integral. Integral means what? It should be an integer. It should be an integer. For example, 5x cube minus 4xb square plus 6x minus 3 is a polynomial in one variable x. You see, this small b is a constant. You see, a and b, small b, small c, we write to, for constants x, y, z, we write for variables. So this is a polynomial. Polynomial means what? Having more terms. You see, 5x cube, one term. 4xb square, another term. 6x, one more term. 3. So a polynomial should have a number of terms in which the variable should be have non-negative integral powers. Clear? So now let us see which of the following expressions are polynomials. Here some expressions are given. Some algebraic expressions are given. Some algebraic expressions are given. So now we have to check which one is a polynomial and which one is not a polynomial. What is the identification mark in this? We have to check the powers of the variables, and power should be non-negative integer. So first one, x to the power of 5 minus 2x cube plus x plus 7. So what are the powers of the variable x? This is an algebraic expression in which the variable is x. So what is the power? Here this is x to the power of 5, x cube, x. X means what? 1. So all these powers are non-negative integers. So this is a polynomial. This is a polynomial. And let us write a tick mark for polynomials and cross mark for the expressions which are not polynomials. Y cube minus root 3y. What are the powers here? Here it is 3 and here this is 1. So this is a polynomial because the powers are non-negative integers. The powers are non-negative integers. Next one. T square minus 2 by 5t plus root 2. So what are the powers of the variable t? T is a variable here. Powers are 2 and here 1. So this is a polynomial. This is a polynomial. So next one, check 5 root z minus 6. 5 root z. Root z means the power would be 1 by 2. Root z means z to the power of half. So power should be non-negative integer and 1 by 2 is not an integer. So this is not a polynomial. I think you understood the reason why we said 5 root z minus 6 is not a polynomial. The reason is the power of z is half. Root means clear. So this is not a polynomial. Next one. X minus 1 by x. X minus 1 by x. What is the power of x? 1. What is the power of 1 by x? 1 by x is equal to x to the power of minus 1. X to the power of minus 1. X to the power of minus 1 is not a what? Non-negative integer. It is a negative integer. It is a negative integer. So this is not a polynomial. X minus 1 by x is not a polynomial. Next one. X to the power of 108 minus 1. What is the power of x there? 108, which is a non-negative integer. Which is a non-negative integer. So this is a polynomial. Next one. Cube root x minus 27. What is the meaning of cube root? What is the meaning of cube root? Cube root is equal to x to the power of 1 by 3. X to the power of 1 by 3. Here, this 1 by 3 is not an integer. 1 by 3 is not an integer. So this is not a polynomial. Clear? Next one. 1 by 2 x square minus root 2x plus 2. 1 by 2 x square minus root 2x plus 2. What are the powers of x here? 2 and 1. Both 2 and 1 are non-negative integers. So this is a polynomial. The last one. X to the power of minus 2 plus 2x to the power of minus 1 plus 3. What are the powers of your variable x here? Minus 2 and minus 1. So this is not a what? Polynomial. I think you understood how to identify a given algebraic expression, whether it is a polynomial or not. For this simple test is what? You have to see the power of the variable. If the power of the variable is not non-negative integer, then only the given expression will be what? A polynomial. Now let us go to another sum. Classify the following as linear, quadratic and cubic. Linear means what? The degree of the polynomial should be 1. The degree of the polynomial should be 1. Quadratic means the degree should be 2. The degree should be 2. For cubic, the degree should be 3. So let us see. If the degree is 2, quadratic. If the degree is 1, linear. If the degree is 3, cubic. So what is your first question? 2x square plus 4x. What is the degree of this polynomial? Degree of the polynomial means the highest power of the variable. The highest power of the variable. It is 2. It is what? 2. So this is a quadratic. This is a quadratic polynomial. Next one, x minus x cube. What is the highest power of variable here? 3. Highest power is what? 3. So the degree is 3. So this is cubic. This is cubic. 2 minus y square. What is the highest degree? 2. So this is quadratic. So this is quadratic. Next one, minus 7 plus z. What is the degree? 1. So because its degree is 1, because its degree is 1, it is what? Linear. It is linear. Next, 5t. What is the degree of t? 1. So this is linear. P cube. P cube means degree is 3. So this is cubic. Understood? I think you understood how to identify a given polynomial, whether it is linear, quadratic or cubic. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.